In this video, I will talk about how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. Selling ebook on Gumroad is really simple. You just have to select an ebook as a selling product. And make sure you have your ebook ready in your computer, because you have to upload on the Gumroad for selling. Once you think your ebook is ready, click on this product list, and here you can see the option of New Product. Currently, I don't have any product on the Gumroad, so that's why the list is empty. Click on New Product, and here you will see the product list. The first thing I will do is I will select ebook here. You can see offer a book or comic in PDF or in EPUB and MOBI formats. After selecting it, here write the name of your ebook just like I will write. I wrote a random name. Scroll down, and here is the price list. The first thing is select the currency in which you want to receive money. After selecting, click on it and write the price just like I will write. After writing the price, scroll up and click on the option Next Customize. Now here you can customize your ebook. The first thing I will do is I will write the description. If you don't know how to write the description, then you can use ChatGPT or any AI that can help you in writing a good description, because it's an important thing, so I will write a random description. After writing the description, it's the URL of my Gumroad. From here, I can add the URL of my website or of my YouTube channel. This one is the cover image. If you have, then click on it and select. If you have the images in your computer, then click on this option. Or if you have the external link, then click on it and add that link. Now scroll down more. Here is the thumbnail. You can upload a thumbnail for your ebook, and always upload a high-quality thumbnail so that can attract customers. Now this one is the product call to action button. Click on it and add any button that you want. After which, you can write the summary for your buyer, if you want. This one is the additional details like pages, how many pages your book has, its value. You can add these by yourself. Do not change anything. Now scroll down, and here is the option of custom domain. If you have your domain, then you can enter your domain. After it, click Save and Continue. Now here you have to paste the content of your ebook. If you click on it, here you can upload all the files from your computer. So if you have your ebook in your computer, then click on it and add that. After it, click on the option Publish and Continue. Now, the ebook has been published, and if I click on the option Product here, you can see my ebook 7 Deadly Sins. And it's published, and the price is $10, and it was the way by which you can sell ebook on Gumroad.